What if I told you that Budget 2026 has just introduced financial engine designed not for survival, but it's for MSME scale. 10,000 crore rupees MSMEs Growth Fund may look like just another allocation, but it is actually a transformation tool. Welcome to the part 2 of our Budget 2026 video series. In this video, we will decode 10,000 crore rupees MSMEs Growth Fund and what it means for business owners ready to grow. And the question is, what is this fund really about? This is not just a working capital scheme. This is a growth capital. Now let's understand the difference. So working capital equal to bills payment, while growth capital equals to expand, modernize and compete. These funds target the high potential MSMEs that wants to scale. So why this is a big shift? Because most MSMEs operate in a survival mode, managing daily expenses, delaying automation, and avoiding technology upgrades. This fund signals that move from survival to scale mode. Now the question is, where MSMEs can use this growth capital? And the answer is very simple. Businesses can invest in automation and smart manufacturing, AI tools and digital systems, cloud and data platforms, expanding production capacity, and entering export markets. Now this improves productivity and competitiveness. And that will create the multiplier effect, because when MSMEs modernize, productivity can improve by 15 to 30%. Operational costs may reduce by 20 to 25% and export increases. Even if only 5 to 10% of MSMEs scale using this support, then ripple effect means more jobs, stronger supply chains, higher exports and greater GDP contribution. With this fund, the national impact is huge. This fund supports India's push towards global manufacturing hub, reduce import dependence, grassroots innovations, and thousands of MSMEs becoming a national champions. So the conclusion is, the 10,000 crore rupees MSMEs Growth Fund is not just an expense, but it's an investment for the India's growth story. Because when MSMEs grow, jobs grow. When jobs grow, income grow. When income grows, then economy grows. And that concludes part 2. In part 3, we will decode how Budget 2026 solves MSME cash flow and credit problems. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss it. Stay tuned. Jai Hind.